Hi, this is Joshua Walker. I'm in the physics course at Full Sail University. Um, what I'll be talking about today, first off, it's the month of July, and my instructor is George Stewart. But today, what I'm showing is that if you cut a magnet in half, that the two pieces, both of them will be the same magnet. Uh, Neither one of them will lose power just because you cut that magnet in half. I'm going to be demonstrating this by first cutting the magnet in half and then using another magnet to show that uh, the force that holds the magnets together is the same for both. Um, Alright, this is Josh Walker again. I'm showing you the materials. I use those scissors to cut one magnet in half, almost equal pieces. This is another magnet to show that both of them still have the same strength, just two different magnets. And what occupies the space around the magnets is, produced by moving electron charges and produced by two kinds of electrons in motion, electron spinning. And the main contributor to magnetism is a pair of electrons spinning in the same direction, which creates a stronger magnet. Well, that's just a little background on magnets. But I cut them in half, and I'm going to use this magnet to show how it's standing still. It's still a strong magnet, and I'm placing it on this magnet, and now this magnet is of equal strength, so it's holding on to it. And that pretty much demonstrates that if you cut a magnet in half, then you're going to get the same two of the same strength magnets if you cut it directly in half, but it would still be two different magnets. One side wouldn't take all of the energy from the other side, and you would still have two magnets. The references I got for all my for my demonstration is we learned inside of our lecture about magnets and how like poles repel and opposite poles attract. So obviously these would be two opposite ends. That's why they stick to each other. If it was two of the same sign of magnet, then they would repel against each other. And the closer you put the magnets together, uh, the more force it would be if they were opposites. The farther you pulled those two magnets away would be less force pulling them together. So that's just a little background and reference of how I came up with this and decided to act this out. All right.